Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to make iPhone speakers louder. This will be an easy tutorial for louder music. Let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have an old iPhone here, and this is a great method. And believe it or not, it will actually make your speakers significantly louder. The difference is actually really noticeable. So what you want to do is you want to go to your settings, right there. So in your settings, you're going to scroll down to the music option, okay? And although it is for music, it is just generally a good thing to understand that this is works with your speakers in general. So you're going to go to the music option right here. And then when you're in the music options, you're going to look for your equalizer, okay? So you can see playback, equalizer. Now, equalizer controls the different levels for the different frequencies within the audio that's coming out of the iPhone. So we're going to go to the equalizer option. You have all of these different options. Now, you can see mine is set to off right now. And obviously, if you have bass booster, it's going to boost up your bass and stuff like that. But the one that you're going to be looking for is actually called late night. So if I click late night right here, the volume on the iPhone speakers will be significantly louder. You will be able to get louder music. So all you have to do is choose late night and then go back and then play your music, play your audio. That's it. If your equalizer is set to late night, your iPhone speakers will be substantially louder. The difference is actually significant. It's actually amazing. And that's it. That is essentially how to make iPhone speakers louder and how to get louder music on your iPhone. This has been a simple tutorial. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.